Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin expands U.S. munitions production with $9 billion plan, 700 Pennsylvania jobs and Florida factory upgrades. Lockheed Martin is expanding U.S. munitions production through for factory and workforce initiatives. The work is part of a more than $9 billion investment to meet rising demand. The company said the projects are already increasing output, improving efficiency and strengthening its defense workforce. The investments cover Pennsylvania, Florida, and Arkansas production sites. In Pennsylvania, Lockheed Martin plans to invest more than $60 million at its Archbold facility. The expansion will double the site size and create more than 700 jobs. The company has also leased a 150,000 square foot facility in Jessup, near Archbold. The site will support cable and harness manufacturing for PRSM precision strike missile, THAAD terminal high altitude area defense, PAC-3 Patriot Advanced Capability, 3, Apache sensors and other programs. Lockheed Martin said the added space will support more tooling, test equipment and hardware. Phased production at Jessup is scheduled to begin in 2027. The new plant will use digital projection harness boards, a modular digital twin floor and advanced material handling automation. The company said those tools will improve scale, speed and delivery of next-generation munitions. In Orlando, Florida, Lockheed Martin has merged 3 older paint bays into one high-performance shop. The facility supports THAAD terminal high-altitude area defense, PRSM precision strike missile and other missile systems. The new shop allows teams to change a production cell in hours instead of weeks. Lockheed Martin said tighter temperature and humidity control, plus a high-efficiency oven, cut cure time by 15%. The Orlando upgrade also includes 5 recirculating paint booths and a second high-efficiency oven. Sensor-based mix-room controls are intended to improve paint consistency and reduce rework. At Ocala, Florida, Lockheed Martin has launched a progressive work smart assembly line. The line supports Seeker and missile control unit sub-assemblies for increased munitions production. The new layout uses modular, flexible workstations to improve material flow and reduce waste. Early results show about a 50% reduction in hours per unit for both Seeker and missile control unit builds. Lockheed Martin said it plans to use the same smart line approach at other sites and missile programs. The company said faster assembly will help field missiles to warfighters sooner. In Camden, Arkansas, Lockheed Martin's high school hiring initiative set a staffing record in its 4th year. More than 40 candidates earned full-time roles this year to support higher munitions output. The program has now brought more than 90 apprentices into the company's workforce. Lockheed Martin said the effort is supported by a partnership with the Department of Labor. The company said the agreement helps build skilled labor for national security production. It also supports local workers entering advanced manufacturing and defense-related careers. The 4 initiatives show how Lockheed Martin is pairing factory expansion with automation and workforce development. The company is using the investments to strengthen munitions capacity for U.S. and allied defense needs. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.